Hey, good afternoon. So what we have here is a City of Henderson water meter box, and they have these little rectangular holes, some of them, not all of them, but this one does. And bees decided they wanted to make their home there. That's Cole. It's his meter. And he noticed them, and he called me, and then I call the city. And the city comes by and makes sure we're not BSing them, and then they say, okay Dave, go ahead, you're right, there's bees in there. And so here we are. I think it's only been here a few days, so we have a small box and an even smaller box, depending on what size fits them. I heard them fall. Decent little colony. So these combs are really fragile when they're young like this. This one's trying to fall over, so I'm going to get my finger on it and try to keep that from happening. Doubt, but oh, I see the queen right now. She's right here. She's crawling right between these two combs. Let's see where'd she go. She likes to hide. Yeah. She's probably going to come out this right side. Well, I didn't see the queen in there, despite there were quite a few bees that walked in there, which is pretty cool, but I don't know, we saw her here, and I don't know if she walked over to there. She's probably right in here, I'm almost certain. So I'm going to pick this thing up, and I'm going to dump it there, and maybe we'll see her. There's it right there. Big caramel butt. She hasn't gone in yet. They're right here. Well, we gotta be quick. She's gonna go in, I believe.
Oh, I saw it. I see it right there. Yeah, she's moving to the right.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see it. Oh, cool. Yeah.
Come on, queen. You got this. There she goes. Yeah. I put that on top of the frames in a 10-frame hive, the canvas. That way they can't glue the top cover to the frames. And it's got like propolis and bee smells on it. And it works great as a mat. Bees feel very comfortable walking on this because it smells like bees. I just started using that about a week ago. Yeah, this is again, I'd like to thank Cole for bringing this to my attention, and really, without him, these bees probably would have been exterminated. So
I'm sure a neighbor was about a day away from a kind of wasp killer in there. So
right on, yeah. Right on. All right, man. I'll just set this up here to watch the fun. Well, that's about it. I'm gonna leave this. The end.